Loom tutorial, how to use Loom for beginners. So hello there and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can use Loom. So let's get started. First of all, you have to visit loom.com. At the top left corner you can see this right here, and you can also check out the logo so that you don't make a mistake. Okay, now let's tap on to get Loom for free. And by tapping on to get Loom for free, you can log in using your Gmail account if you wish to. And after tapping onto your Gmail account, you have to tap continue to log into Loom. So wait until the login is completed, and there we go, we are logged into Loom. So here you can see this option. You can upgrade Loom if you wish to. Also you can just get started with record a Loom, and by tapping on to get started with wait, okay, yes, proceed, and then you can just start recording according to your need. And there you can choose your screen, like which one you wish to record with. For example, you can use window enter screen or Chrome tab to record your screen, and then you can tap share, and after a 3-second countdown it will start recording your voice and all other things. So as you can see here, you can check out, you can pause it if you want, and then you can stop it if you want, and you can delete it also according to your wish. And that's pretty much it. Okay, let me show you. Let's turn it off and let me show you how was the video. So wait, and so there we go, you can see this one. This is how Loom records all of your informations. I mean, not your information, like your video. And here you can see, you can share a link of it, but let me show you, you cannot download this video, you cannot set up meeting recordings, all other things, because this is on the free version. So you will must need a premium versions to record Loom videos and share it or download it to anyone. And here you can see more things, like for you on the home page you can send an invite to your teammates. Like if you have anyone that you work with, you can just send an invite by entering the email address. Also you can create a link. If you want, you can just copy this link and share it to your friend or team member. So let's skip this part now, and here you can check out your notifications, your meetings. You can schedule your meetings right from here. Also you can check out all meetings, and you can record a meeting if you wish to. Just have to enter your meeting's URL, then you have to tap on to record meeting. So this is your library I just showed you. You can take a screenshot with it and many more. So you can see there is no download version here. You just have to copy the link and then you can share it with people, for example like this. So you can check it out. Let me show you onto another browser like this, and you can check it out. So now you can check out this sharing link, and you can enter space, sorry, name or email address. You can share with your team. You can share with your team like this. Also you can use Google, like you can continue with Google Workspace to share it, and many more. Here you can see some more options right here, and you can tap on to move, duplicate or archive. You can also download video and download captions, but for that, like for this two, you must download the use the premium version of Loom, like you have to upgrade it. So here you can see, there we go. Here you can see this one. So this was one my trial options, because normally they won't be available to download, but for now it is downloading, because this is, I'm on my trial options. You can make it a document size and many more. There are a lot of options on Loom to use. You can just use them. And from this three dot icon, you can check out your watch later options, notification, your history, your settings. You can simply tap onto settings, and after clicking onto history, you can record another Loom if you wish to. You can see all this video, like you can record a presentation with Loom and all other things, design use cases at Loom. On the settings option, you can check out your personal settings, your workspace. Right from here, you can check out your workspace. Wait, so let me show you your personal. Okay, let me show you workspace settings. You can change your workspace name right from here. You can upload a logo for your workspace like this. You can then save it and continue with this one. You can tap onto this one, like creator members can invite, and you can check out other options. For example, contact sales for enterprise, your privacy settings like public or on just on your workspace. So that was pretty much it. On the meeting option, you can record meetings and many more. As I told you earlier, you can check out internal settings from here, manually select options here, and you can invite teammates also from here. Browser space, you can create new spaces, you can enter any name, then you can enter more names like member names, and then you can create a space. And on the privacy section, you can choose either open one or closed one. One is for anyone at agent's workspace can join, like on your workspace they can join, and on the closed one only invited people can join. So let's create a space. So there we go. Now you have to paste your Loom URL or search your videos. For example, this one, you can add one video to space. Okay, so there we go. Now the video is being updated. So there's a video here. Let me show you. Let me load the page, and you can see the video right here. Okay, so that was pretty much it. And you can create new folders for every single one, for specific items or specific videos. You can say, you can also change the folder name if you wish to, and many more. Okay, so that was pretty much it all about Loom. So if this video is helpful and you get knowledge about loom.com, then like this video. Don't forget to mention in the comment section then what type of videos you want to see in the future. And till then, take care, goodbye. And I will suggest you to use Loom, because it is a really great site for beginners to use. But yeah, you need to pay for this one. Also, you can use it for professional works, and this is absolutely secure and safe. See you on another video.